Mythology has it there wasn't just one Hathor, there were 7. The myth of 7 goddesses, however, is not just connected to this temple. It has its origins all over the world. Could it be that these female deities that the temple was named after were otherworldly in nature?
Over many years, I've collected a lot of artifacts. And on these ancient artifacts, the majority of them depict something called the 7 sisters. It's pretty interesting that when you go into ancient texts, you discover that a lot of these civilizations supposedly started in the Pleiadian star system, which is where you have the 7 sisters. It's been mentioned in Homer's Iliad, it's been mentioned in the Bible, many other texts as well. But what's interesting is the Aboriginal people of Australia also say that they were the first people seated on this planet by the Pleiadians. So this Ursa Major plays a very, very major role in the Temple of Dendera, and also maybe even seating human beings on this planet.
The mission of the 7 Hathors is to bring a consciousness level to the people. So in our world, there are 7 women or 7 goddesses or 7 deities that represent Pleiades. And the Pleiadians are instrumental in helping create various civilizations around the world. They have always helped Earth, coming here and creating new civilizations, cross-pollinating with people, and helping other demigods to create a new phase of humanity. The 7 women or 7 goddesses, the 7 Hathors, are represented around the world in various religions and cultures.